So I told you guys I would do the unboxing of the boxes I had outside, so let's get started. I'm going to bring them in real quick. One down, one to go. That got me sweating, boys and girls. Before I get into this, I just want to say that all of these were given to me for getting out of school. I did go to Advanced Training Institute. It's a trade school. So that's what I've been doing this entire time that I haven't been uploading. These tools are basically what you're gonna need for entry-level mechanic. I'll try my best. I'm not totally going to be able to say every single tool. I do think that terminology is super important, so if I do know the tool, I'm gonna tell you guys to get this started. Alright, first of all, we got our screws and Phillips heads. Next off, we have, this is going to be a scraper. So basically, if you are changing your gaskets, you want to make sure everything is off of that. So you can use this, or if you can't get this, you can use this as well. This works so well. I love blades. Blades, sharp edges are the best thing ever. So that is a scraper, and it's a 1 inch by 8 inch. So definitely super important. So I actually personally have my own one of these O'Reilly Auto Parts. I got these. They are the bit and socket set 23 piece. I can't tell you how many times this has saved me from my radio or really uncomfortable spots in my car. These things are amazing. They do come, this one comes with Torx heads, Phillips, as well as flat heads, and I believe a adapter so that you can put a socket on it as well, a 3/8 socket. And this one comes with 13, 14, 15 on sockets. By the way, so my school was sponsored, or like Matco basically was the one that provided all the tools. So this is a 3/8 piece mini ratchet bit set. It has everything you'd need. It even has the, if you can see them right there, I don't know if the glare is going to be too much, but these have the Torx bits with the hole in the middle. So say you're taking off a bolt that has a torque but has a little bit of a lip on it in the middle. Definitely help you take those off. So alright, what else we got? This is going to be your best friend. This is a braking bar. Step down to a 1/2 to 3/8 is amazing. I definitely recommend it. So that is another cool thing. Alright, next. So got a big bag of goodies here. PPE, personal protection equipment, glasses, super important. These ones are Pyramex, peak of safety and style. So they do, I can see in the back there, the arches that go around your ears. They do have the notches so you can make it longer. Honestly, safety glasses is super important. No one uses them enough, and that's usually when you pay. In all my videos, I'm going to try to have safety glasses on, being safe as possible. I want you guys to practice safety as well. So PPE, personal protection equipment, is super important. So get some. If you wear glasses, you don't have to, because you'll just have your glasses on. But if you don't wear glasses, don't make it so you lose your eyes. Next on the list, we have a snap ring picker. These things are amazing. I'm not going to take them out of the plastic because I don't have anywhere else to put them right now, and if I do, I'll just have a huge mess that I'll have to clean up. But snap ring pliers, Allan Key Set. I'm going to see if I can flip it around the plastic so you guys can see it. So Allan Key Set. This has a 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters. So Matco makes a really nice one. And if I wasn't able to get these from the school, honestly, I'd probably just go to Harbor Freight, or I'd go to Lowe's. Most tools that you need, like specialty tools, I get it. If you need them, go get them. That's fine. But usual wrenches, Allen keys, all that kind of stuff, you can get them for way cheaper, and to be honest, they're just as good as quality. They might break, but if you do get them from certain places, you might be able to get lifetime warranty, and that thing comes in and saves so much. Oh baby, okay. We have a 1/2 inch drive impact 3-inch extension. This thing is amazing. You'll just put any socket on there, put it onto the 1/2-inch impact or drill you have, and just go at it. Tight spaces that you need this, it really comes in handy. Any tool is a tool because it comes in handy. Not that you don't need all the tools, but having more tools the better. If you have a problem with, you know, a project you're working on, you can try it out and it might work. So that's what I think I love about tools. Could potentially help you make it a lot easier. This is your spark plug gapper right here. It's a little thing. I'm sure you guys have seen it at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, that kind of thing. This thing, what it does is you put it right up to, I'm gonna see if I can flip it around in the packaging. So on the other side there is a lip, if you can see that. And what you do is spark plugs are supposed to have a gap in them, and what that gap is what the spark jumps from the titanium tip or whatever tip you have. It jumps from that to the little thing that comes out like that. If you haven't seen a spark plug, basically it has like a bridge on it, and the tip is right here. And so what happens is the spark jumps over, and when the spark jumps over, that's what ignites the air and fuel mixture that's in the cylinder. Shout out to my buddy Austin for telling me this, but basically what it is the farther away it's more consistent, but the closer it is, the higher the temperature or higher engine you can run temperature wise. So spark plug gapper. And then last but not least off this, we have a 1/2-inch swivel. You have to go up into a corner. You can use this. So this is super cool, and it's an impact socket. So basically what that means is you can put it on an impact wrench and it won't break into pieces. The first bag of goodies is done. Let's see what else we have. We have a wire clippers or snaps. It cuts things really, really well. Usually use this for my zip ties. And if you can see right there, it says Silver Eagle. Silver Eagle is Matco Tools old. Well, it's not really their old, it's more of like their cheaper tools, I guess you could say. But so most of this stuff is either Matco or it's Silver Eagle, just because they're the same company. So moving on, we have our torque bit drive set, star bit. So we have 13 piece, a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. So what the size difference is we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/4 inch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3/8, and then we have 1/2. We do have it is going from, if you can see that, it goes from T8 to T60. So T8, T10, T15, T27, T30. So all Europeans all are gonna have torques. Got a nice, you guys know what this is, the hammer. Oh guys, another super important thing. Automotive circuit tester. So what this is has a ground, and it has a probe, and it has a light in the middle. So it has a filament. What this does is if you want to check if you have power going to any electrical wire, any circuit, you can test the circuit, and this should, if it's all good, if the fuse is not blown, you should be able to test it. Alright, so we got Vise grips, Irwin Vise grips. These things are amazing. Punch gauge, chisel, and punch set. Silver Eagle. There we go, another Silver Eagle one. You have a sander, so you know if things need to be sanded down, bolts, bolt heads, whatever. You can use this, and it is Matco, so you know it's good quality, even though the lettering is coming off already. We do have a pair of pliers, and they're pliers. You know what they are, so pliers. Needle nose pliers. These things are insanely good. I do have another set of them, so I'm probably not going to use these until I use my other set, because my other set is from Harbor Freight and they have not gone, and they're a lot smaller. So if I need bigger things, these would probably be the best. We have our 1/2-inch ratchet. Oh baby! We have our inverted star set. This is a E4, E5, E6, E7, and all the way up to E20. So those are sick. Let's finish this off. So we do have another box. This is just the first box, but this right here, box is going away, so I have to put everything back. So we have a 1/2-inch drive socket set, and 14-piece metric 6-point impact socket set. Oh, well, ripped that box. Alright. That's crazy. That is crazy. We got a 100-piece general service set. I'm going to open it up this way so you guys can see it first. I really hope this doesn't spill all over the place because I really don't want to clean it up, but oh, that smells so good. That smells so bomb. Do you see that, guys? Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to end the video off. It's not going to be the last of it. I'm going to be getting some more stuff soon, but for right now, this is perfect to start off with. Everything I got will be in the description below, so if you guys are interested in anything I got, thank you guys so much. Like always, like, subscribe, and comment if you guys haven't already, and I will see you in the next video coming up. You guys have a good one. Stay true to who you are. Shoots, guys.